So over here, you can see that I got multiple pages of designs right here. So if you want to make a video presentation by using these designs, then what you can do is you can click on create video over here, or you can go around onto the right side and click on record video. You get the same option when you access both of them right here. So once you do that, over here you can see you can record a video presentation and alongside your content while presenting to your audience, as it says right here. So let me just press continue right here, and what happens is that it'll ask you to allow your camera. So if I were to click on allow, I don't have a camera plugged in right now, but if you have a camera or your laptop camera, it'll show your face right here. So you can go around over here and choose different sources of camera as well and mirror out your camera. So you have all of these options, and these are your options. As you can see, these are what you can do with your video. So there is this option right here where you can see your cam right here. You can click on this one just like this to zoom in onto the design, and click on this one to change out the slide over here. As you can see, you can also do that by clicking on this, and you can see that the slide is changed out. You can hide the content altogether over here as well. So you can present in a video call, or you can go around over here. So solid content background is here, or you can go around and choose transparent content background over here as well, which actually makes the content transparent, as you can see. So now in order to start recording the video, you can click on record video right here. And then what happens is that you have option right here. You have to click on allow microphone as well. So let me just press OK. And when you're ready to start recording, what you can do is you can hit the start recording button right here. So once you do that, you have a countdown, as you can see right here. And now it is starting to be recorded, as you can see right here. So now what you can do is you can turn this transparent, like hide this out or enable this out right here, and change this thing to the slide you want, as you can see, and it changes out right there. You can also go around, make it full screen. So whatever you are saying and whatever is happening on the screen right here, everything is recorded out. You can also use this navigation button over here on the bottom. And over here, when you are presenting, you can also share out your screen. So you can go around over here and then choose out a screen you want, just like this right here, and click on share. And what happens is that your current screen is being shared out, as you can see. So if I were to go around, you can see that whatever I have right here, it is being shared out. If I were to go to the other tab, this gets shared out right here. You can see a repetition, that is because I'm showing the same screen. So let me click on stop sharing screen right here, and you can see that it is still recording. So if I were to press done recording right here, then this is what you have. You got the video. So let me just decrease the audio because I don't want to hear myself speaking. And if I were to press the play button, you can see the video right here. So everything that you did was being recorded. And now once you play, you can see the whatever I did earlier, everything was being recorded right here. So you can see the slide change right there, just like this, from one to another. And you'll also see it zoom in, and you can go around and see different portions of the video by using the timeline over here. So you can also play out video speed right here. You can simply click and play it in 1x or 2x. See the recording in full screen over here as well. So you can go around, restart this out. You can go 5 seconds forward, back, and then work around with this. And what you can do is you can discard and record again if you don't want to stick to this video file. Let's say you don't like it, then you can discard and record again. Or you can trim this out over here as well to the portion you like as well. So let's say you just want these portion of the video. You can select out the range of video you want as well. Press done. And once you're happy with the portion of the video, you can click on save video right here. So by default, what happens is that you have to publish this as public if you're using the free version. So it's processing the video link right here. So now you can see that the video will be there as public link right here. So now what is happening is that the video is being saved out as a Prezi video file right here. So if I were to go around on to visit your Prezi dashboard right here, what happens is that I can go around onto Prezi video and you will be able to see your recording right here, just like this. So you can click on the play button and it opens this out in Prezi video, as you can see, just like this. So now it has been divided into chapters accordingly right here in Prezi video, and you can see that this is the video file that you can share with other people. And that is how you can turn your Prezi design files into videos inside of from Prezi Design. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.